You have, in the beginning, you have the Word. Before time, you have the Word. And the Word was with God. Notice, the Word was with. But then, the Word was God. Now, do you understand this verse or no? Do you understand? Well, I have a hard time understanding, but I believe what it says. The Bible says, all things came into being through Him. And apart from Him, nothing came into being. Again, this verse is talking about Jesus. Why do I know it's talking about Jesus? Because in the same chapter of John, verse 14, it says, and the Word became flesh. The Word, God became man, flesh, and dwelt among us, and we saw His glory, glory as of the only begotten from the Father, full of grace and truth. Notice, the Bible does not use the word glory as of the only creation from the Father. No, begotten. What does that mean? Well, let's look. Let's read this together. No one has seen God at any time. You know why? He's invisible. How do you know God? He made Himself visible through Jesus. The only begotten God who is in the bosom of the Father, He has explained Him. So, you want to know what God is like? Look at Jesus. That's why you must worship Jesus. Because He is God. Supreme in the whole universe. The master of the universe. The Bible tells us Jesus is before all things. Notice, He is before all things. And in Him, all things hold together.